that's a spark. He loves getting a wicket his first goal. That's the 21st time he's done that. A wicket in the first.
Played a little bit more finer. Ball came quicker than his expectations. Middle of the bat, the field was.
Right as well. Second wicket goes down.
Two kilometers an hour. And what I really liked about that delivery was he made sure that stick to his disciplines. He got 6 in the first ball, but made straight out. But he got wicket. Chip to be on. Second. The third wicket down. Harish Rao, the change of angle. They keep picking up wickets. Pakistan.
They'll be very happy with this. Opposite again. This Sterling gets underneath it. They hang on. Charlton Sri Lanka again looking for the boundary. Ends up finding the fielder. Make another one. Oh dear. That's what you said, Ratalan. Dustin Shanaga. Next one through to the keeper.
Across the line.
Great discipline from Pakistani bowlers. Fast,